Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now I am ready to download driver Edson EcoTank. This here the serial and this here your type the driver download and this one and search the official website. Okay, this here the official website for Edson.com. Click here. I am like the download official website first and not a virus driver and driver update for the official website. If you need like the system operation, click here operating system, click here. This here is like operating system. This here the Windows 11, new Windows, Windows 8, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows Server, and for the Windows complete the Windows. This here the Chrome OS driver for Chrome OS driver, and this here the new driver for Mac 12 and Mac 11, and this here the Mac for Mac 8, and this here the for Linux driver. This official complete the driver. This video I am need to download driver Windows 11. Click driver Windows 11. Click button to this one. Laptop website loading. And this here the recommended for you driver. This driver package driver and utility combo package driver. This here the driver print or driver print, driver scan, and Epson Print CD, Epson Scan UCL component, Epson Event Manager, and software update and Epson software update. This here the complete the driver. This one download package driver. This here the compatible system and Windows 11 new Windows. Uh, this combo package install option and install the following item. This here the much item. If you need download driver only, click here, click driver. This here the driver print only, and this here the driver scanner only. This here the driver remote only. This here the driver remote for the Wi-Fi driver, for the Ethernet driver. This here the not cable USB printer, and this here the utilities driver and utilities software, Epson software update, and Epson scan smart Epson component print setup utility, Epson event manager, Epson scan UCL component. This here the utilities package. This is the firmware and recovery mode firmware driver. This is the mobile app application for the Epson Creative Print app for iOS. This is the App Store. If you need uh, download driver to Play Store, you search the Play Store. You type the driver Epson and out you type the Epson printer and you connect the Epson for the Wi-Fi. If you search the IP Epson, if you this video you need download package driver, click button download package. This is recommended for you driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you please write the finish driver download and you click run as the driver driver detect automatic for the cable printer. Okay, if you need install driver for the Wi-Fi, you turn on the printer, you select the menu printer for the menu wizard menu. You search the IP, you search the name Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for Wi-Fi, and you search the IP Wi-Fi. You run as the application, your search, you run as the you run as the driver, you select the Wi-Fi connect or Ethernet, and you click uh, search IP printer, and you connect the IP, click next and finish. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download the description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my video.